Hey, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ram Dhamija. Welcome to my channel. Today is 4th of February, and I bring to you what the market highlights have been. I'm recording this slightly earlier. It's not the end of the day, but today was such a day that all the option sellers got thrown out of the market pretty early, and it was a very rough day for option selling. Why? Primarily because the straddle premium immediately jumped after open, and it was not only true for Sensex, but it was true for all the other indices. In fact, Nifty straddle jumped almost 50-60 points, and Sensex straddle was something which was very, very peculiar. It almost jumped 3x. Now 3x is a joke if you ask me. On expiry day, how can a straddle jump 3x? But that is what it is, and it actually reached the levels which were seen on the budget day. So entire 2 days back, it has got reversed, and the straddle went to 920 odd. It opened at about 350, 360, and from there, then it had started falling. But for any sort of option seller who doesn't have the stop loss in the system, it will be immediate hit on the capital. And days like these can actually wipe out your entire capital. So it's very, very critical to have system stop loss. For me, because I trade with system stop loss, I was thrown out pretty much at the start only, and out of both the indices, Nifty and Sensex. And not only that, I took some discretionary trades on the other side, on the put side as well, because the market was going up. Even they got triggered, and these were far OTM puts. So on days like this, there is no point trying to fight the market. Take your max stop loss and just move away. So that's what I did, and there it is. So I'll take you through what exactly happened in the market today. Now this is very interesting. This is the Nifty chart. As you can see that we have finally reached the budget day high, which is around 23,600. This green candle today, as you can see, this was the first resistance. Now if we cross that, the second resistance is going to be somewhere around 24,235, which was the last high that we had made. Now once this 23,600 is cleared, then 24,200 becomes the next stop, and only if we can clear it, then we can say that some sort of uptrend has started. But before that, it is like, if we can't even go to 24,200, and supposing we come back over here down like this, then that would mean that the market don't even have strength to take the last highs. And if market is in a bear trend, then typically you will see lower lows and lower highs, which would mean that we would actually retrace back before 24,200. So that is going to be a sign in terms of seeing whether the market actually has any strength or not. Right now, it looks fine. It looks like we are in an uptrend. So I'm hoping that this will get crossed, and the next target is going to be 24,200. So we are going to, that is the real test in simple language. So how did the straddle play out? This is what I was telling you about in the morning. This is the Nifty straddle. It opened at 224, and then it immediately shot up to 309. That's like a 80-point movement on 2DT, which is crazy. So in fact, yesterday there was a lot of decay in the straddle, and hence I think this is more or less just compensating for that. And now it is just meandering along, doing nothing. So the whole game actually got somewhere over here. My stop losses got somewhere, hit somewhere over here, and then it went quite up. So that is where it is. But this one is the Sensex straddle. Now look at this. It opened at somewhere around 300. This is a 15 minute. So if I put a 1 minute, you will see that it opened at somewhere around 380 odd, and from there, yeah, so you can see over here, yeah, 300 and 370, 80, it opened over there. And look at this went to 921. So anyone, no option seller can survive in this kind of a market, and you have to be cognizant of the fact that you should not lose more than the X% that you have decided that is your max stop loss for the day. Now coming to how the markets are looking absolutely fine. This is the open interest for Nifty. As you can see, the open interest is now close to 1. 16 crore calls, 16 crore puts. It's fairly matched. It was about 0.7, 0.8 couple of days back, and that has got reversed. So, which is good news, and that we are seeing the strength in Nifty. In fact, I would say that the strength in Nifty was visible yesterday itself. And I had shared in my yesterday's update that the way Nifty bounced back from the lows yesterday was indicative of the fact that there is strength in the market, because global markets were in turmoil yesterday, and only by the night did we come to know that the tariffs on Mexico have been held back, and today morning we came to know about Canada. So the global Q suddenly turned positive. But in face of that, we did not fall yesterday, which indicated that there is some strength in Nifty, and which I had shared yesterday also. And today we are seeing that strength. Bank Nifty is up 1.6%, Nifty is up 1%, mid caps are up, small cap is slightly less up, but the market is actually doing absolutely fine. So these are small cues, that you pick up in the market when you're a market participant, to see how the market is behaving or going to behave. Now coming to the how the sectoral indices have behaved, VIX has shot up today slightly. And apart from that, financial services was the hero today, banks and financial services. And also the PSE stock. So if you see, public sector enterprises index is up 2% plus. So there is some sort of risk on which is coming back in infra names, in PSE names, and so on. Whether this rally is going to be sustainable or not, we'll come to know. Metals is up 1.8, infrastructure 1.7, energy 1.7% up, banking 1.68% up, pharma is up 1.4, and Nifty is up 1%. And the ones that are underperforming are small cap, media, IT, and surprise, FMCG. So I think FMCG has run up quite a bit after the budget announcement, etc. So it's just taking a breather today. Now coming to how the international cues are looking. The international cues are looking absolutely fine. There is a slight drop in US futures because there has been an announcement that China is going to impose tariffs on US. So US futures are reacting, but hardly anything if you ask me. Bitcoin is back to close to 100,000, which is good, which means liquidity is there. Dollar index is holding at 108. Which is okay, and Brent has come down to 75, which is good news. USD INR 87 crossed. Now looks like 87 is the new floor for our currency, and gold is again at all-time high along with silver. So the international cues are all fine. Our domestic cues are looking all good, so there is no problem over there. Open interest is looking all good. There are daily elections. Once those are out, then the RBI policy comes in on Friday. And I'm just hoping that there is no other announcement on the markets that shakes the market up. If there is no other announcement, and if RBI policy is seen to be favorable, if interest rates are cut, if liquidity is injected, then we might see this rally continue to 24,200, as I have said. So that's it from me now. Not a very good day for option selling. But having said that, these days do come. And the last 3 days were very good, as I had told yesterday also. Friday was very good. Saturday was very good. Monday was very good. And Tuesday today is bad. So it is okay. You have to see basically how much you end up making at the end of the month. So this month is going absolutely fine because the 2 preceding days were very good. So today, even if the stop losses got hit, it has not taken too much away. What matters is that if you can close the month at 2, 3, 4%, whatever your target is for option selling, that takes care of a lot of things for you. So that's it from me now. If you like my content, please do subscribe to the channel, because I get a lot of views, but subscribers, a lot of people don't subscribe. I don't know why. So if you like the content, please do subscribe. Please share your comments. I love to read your comments. And I shall see you soon tomorrow with another update. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.